Hello friends, welcome back. So guys, today's session we will see how to implement the date function logic in web method in your design and development. Okay, so let's start the demo. Very first, I'm creating one service. So just right click, new, then flow service. Here you can give the name as a date conversion demo. After that, empty flow got created. Now I'm looking for the function current date string. Okay, so first I'll check the function is available or not. Current date string. Okay. So here get current date string. Just click on pipeline, and here you can give the pattern. Whatever pattern you have, you can mention here. So I'm giving the pattern as BD capital MM, then YY space capital HH colon MM colon this after that Z. This is my pattern. And I want to convert this date into my like whatever time zone you have, you can mention here. So let suppose I'm looking for IST or GMT time format. Any another, you can check time zone and you can mention here as per your requirement. So I'm looking for IST format. So just mention the time zone here. Locally this is optional. Here value you can drop and take another string here to store the particular date. So current date string. Okay? Then you can save this demo, map value to value. After that, you can just run and check this particular conversion happen or not. Run flow service. Here you can see the result. Time zone is IST. Current date string is like pattern. This is and I converted this pattern into my current date string IST format. Okay, that is the one case. Now, here time zone, this is a unwanted feed. I just drop it to increase the service performance. So just drop the time zone here. Now you can save the dim. Now my second step would be whatever date I got, I want to format this date. So for that purpose, I'm using another function as a date time format. Okay. So here current date string in IST format. Okay. So you can just map to in string. Current pattern you can mention here. Wait a while. Here click on this pattern. Otherwise do one thing. Just map this pattern to in string and current pattern you can paste it here. Sorry, current date string you can map here so that whatever input current date you have you can just take it from here. Current pattern you can mention here, and whatever pattern I have I want to format this pattern. So just bd slash slash wi whatever time format I have I want to format this time. Okay, and then drop this value, just map this string here and formatted date format b. Okay, then map value to value and just save this demo. Try to run it. Run as flow service. Here I'm expanding the result. In string I have format date, like whatever current date string. This is in IST format. I'm not looking for this format, so I just use the date format date, and whatever format you looking for, you can just mention this format. Okay. Now my third logic, I am looking for this nano type. Okay. So let's suppose today is 14/10/2023. I just want to convert this particular date into nano type. So how you can do that? Just click on insert, check the function nano timing, and mention here. Okay, and then save the demo. After that, run as a flow service. This service give this whatever date you have, so current nano timing it will show that away. Fourth logic I have, I want looking for the working days. Okay, so we have a one function get working days, pub.date colon get working days. Okay, so how it works, run as sorry, first you need to perform the mapping here. So click on get working days, click on pipeline. Here you need to mention the start date. So start date I am mentioning as a TD, okay, 10 10 2022 start date, and it should be maximum. So 14 10 2022. Okay. In start date pattern, this would be a DD in capital M. Make sure that don't mistake to in time format. Indeed pattern would be same. Just copy this format and paste it here. Okay. And then save the demo. And try to run it. Maximize this particular result. So here you can see working day should be a 4. Okay. Now one function also available. Let me check this function, like compare dates. Okay, so just this function, click on pipeline. Here start date, end date, start date pattern, end date pattern we are getting from working days function. And whatever result we have, we just paste, like manually we can map, like implicitly mapping happen. So run pro service. Okay, after that you can see here the result value. Okay, result value is a -1. After that, second concern would be like second function, click on insert, invoke, then select the WM public package, then click on pub. After that date, and we have a calculate date difference function. Okay, so click on that function, click on pipeline. Here start date, end date, start date pattern, end date pattern you mentioned. And if your project requirement have whatever date difference in second, in minutes, in hours, and in days you required, you can just use this function, pass the start date, end date, and pattern as well, and try to run it. Run as a flow service. Then you can like check the date different seconds in minutes, in hours, and in days. Okay, after that one another function, just let me check, like date format we already discussed. So another format, let me check this working fine or not. If you have a this function current date pattern, like I'm taking another function here, so to avoid a misconfusion. This is my pub date format. So what I'm doing, current date I'm mentioning current date string, current pattern, new pattern I'm mentioning as a dd dd slash mm slash yy. After that hh colon mm colon ss. Here I'll pass a capital T. Then okay. After that save the demo, run as a flow service. Okay. So this is illegal pattern character, like could not run this illegal pattern character error. Okay. So again check what I can do. I just disable this mapping, instant mapping as well. YY mm YY to that T. Then HH colon SS. Save this demo. Current pattern peer. Okay. Otherwise, do one thing. If you're looking for the milliseconds, then cancel this one. You need to pass the date. Okay. So 04042023 string. Okay. Current pattern, just mention that one, and new pattern mention here instead of T. You can just mark the triple S. Let me check it's working fine or not. Okay. Then save this demo. And run it. Okay. Now we solve the error. Here you can see the result: start date, end date, start date pattern, end date pattern, current pattern, new pattern, format date, current date as well. Okay. Start date also converted, and new pattern you can see here all the conversion. Okay. This pattern got converted into seconds, like hours, then minutes, then seconds, and then milliseconds. Okay. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you have any query, any concern, please do let me know in comment section. If I able to answer your queries, yeah, I'm available to whatever query you have, like whatever topic you have, and you want to looking for some demos on that particular topic. So if I able to do, then I definitely do that. No worry. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.